Attributes. An attribute is a declarative tag that is used to convey information to runtime about the behavior of various elements like classes, methods, structures, enumerators, assemblies, etc. in your program. You can add declarative information to your program by using an attribute. A declarative tag is depicted by a square brackets placed above the element it is used for. Attributes are used for adding metadata, such as compiler instruction, and other information such as comments, description, methods, and classes to a program. The .NET Framework provides two types of attributes: predefined attributes and custom-built attributes. In C#, under different classifications, the attributes are specified, and some predefined attributes are also available in C#. Attribute usage: conditional, obsolete. To create a custom attribute, a few steps have to follow, like declaring a custom attribute, constructing the custom attribute, apply the custom attribute on a target program element, accessing attributes through reflection. Attributes. Syntax for specifying an attribute is as follows. Name of the attribute and its values are specified within the square brackets before the element to which the attribute is applied. Positional parameters specify the essential information, and the name parameters specify the operational information. Syntax for specifying this attribute is as follows. The predefined attribute usage describes how a custom attribute class can be used. It specifies the type of items to which the attribute can be applied. This predefined attribute marks a conditional method whose execution depends on a specified pre-processing identifier. It causes conditional compilation of method calls depending on the specified values such as debug or trace. For example, it displays the values of the variables while debugging a code. Syntax for specifying this attribute is as follows. This predefined attribute marks a program entity that should not be used. It enables you to inform the compiler to discard a particular target element. For example, when a new method is being used in a class, but you still want to retain the old method in the class, you may mark it as obsolete by displaying a message saying the new method should be used instead of the old method. Attributes. The .NET Framework allows creation of custom attributes that can be used to store declarative information and can be retrieved at runtime. This information can be related to any target element depending upon the design criteria and application need. Creating and using custom attributes involve 4 steps. Declaring a custom attribute, constructing the custom attribute, applying the custom attribute on a target program element, accessing attributes through reflection. The last step involves writing a simple program to read through the metadata to find various notations. Metadata is data about data or information used for describing other data. This program should use reflections for accessing attributes at runtime. C# versioning ensures that compatibility is maintained between base class versions and derived class versions. They also address subsequent changes in features. C# versioning is a concept relied on inheritance. To implement C# versioning, the following 3 keywords are used: virtual, new, and override.